Hello folks, so this is a 2TB PSSD or a portable solid state drive, also available in 500GB and 1TB formats. And the brand did send this to me in exchange for the video. And what's great about this is it does support maximum throughput of up to 40 gigabits per second, which is just insane. So you will obviously need to have some hardware that can support that, but if you don't, then this is still fully backwards compatible even with slower USB connections. And here is the drive itself, which as you can see is a nice portable size, so it does have the RGB effect here as well for when there is drive activity, and I've got to say that does look very good. It works very well. Over here we also have some air vents. There is active cooling here, so when this is being pushed through its paces the fan will spin, but it's not very loud at all. And this drive is compatible with your Windows PC, your Mac, Linux device, and also Android devices too. So I'll just show you this a little more up close here. Okay, it is a nice bit of kit, I have to say. The covers on the front and the back are plastic, but the frame around the outside is this lovely aluminium. And there we have the USB-C port along with the bottom vents. The connection cable that's included, not very long, but that's by design. And we have the USB-C connection for the drive itself. And then over here we have a Type A connection, which is actually an adapter. We can unplug this in order to find another Type-C connection. So nice bit of versatility there, depending on the device that you're connecting to and what that needs. And so long as you do have the hardware to support that super fast 40 gigabits per second throughput, that will allow you to achieve read speeds of 3,700 megabytes per second. Now with my computer, the fastest port that this has is only 20 gigabits per second, so half what this drive is actually rated for. But because it's backwards compatible, again, that isn't a problem. This still works, no problem at all. However, I was only able to achieve half the speeds, which makes sense. So that's why it's not quite as fast as advertised. But again, that's because my computer is not supporting those speeds, not because the drive isn't. And setting this up was an absolute breeze. For first time use, I did just have to initialize the drive in Windows so that it could be detected. That was just a case of opening the disk manager and then formatting the unallocated space. Again, just a one-time process, and whenever I plug this in now, it is detected as a drive in Windows. But having all this additional storage in a portable form factor that you can carry around with you is just going to be such an awesome thing to be able to do. You can install games directly onto this, for example, have them run off this when you connect it to your computer. You can connect it to your Android devices, such as a phone, if you want to move files across straight onto it. And it's just a really handy gadget to have around. So folks, hopefully this overview has been somewhat useful to you, and if you're in the market for a portable SSD that can support blazingly fast speeds, let's be honest, the maximum possible speeds that are available to us today, then this particular model of SSD is definitely worth checking out.